Quotation of sources is the reproduction word for word of another author's work. When quoting directly, you must always provide an in-text citation that includes the author, year, and specific page number when this is available. You must also indicate that it is a direct quotation with the use of single quotation marks, otherwise known as inverted commas. In this first example, the entirety of this sentence is a direct quote from an author. To format this correctly, we need to do two things. Firstly, we need to enclose the entire sentence within single quotation marks or inverted commas. Notice the quotation marks do not go around the full stop. Secondly, we need to add a citation at the end of the sentence. This should be enclosed in brackets and should contain firstly the author's surname, followed by a comma, then the year of publication for the text the quote is taken from, followed by another comma, then the page number that the quote is taken from. Page numbers should be cited with a lowercase p, followed by a full stop, followed by a space, and then finally the page number in question. It is important to note that the full stop is always placed after the citation where it appears at the end of a sentence. In this second example, only part of the sentence contains text that is a direct quotation from the author. In order to format this sentence correctly, we must do three things. Firstly, we need to add single quotation marks or inverted commas around the portion of the sentence that contains the directly quoted text. Next, we need to add a citation for the year of publication of the text the quote is drawn from. This should be enclosed in brackets and placed directly after the author's name. Finally, we need to add the page number that the quotation is taken from. This should be enclosed in brackets and, in this case, placed directly after the quotation. Page numbers should be cited with a lowercase p, followed by a full stop, followed by a space, and then finally the page number in question. It's important to note that the full stop is always placed after the citation where it appears at the end of a sentence.